Welcome back, children. This class we are going to study about new chapter 3, what fun it is to draw. Chapter is new, but we are already familiar in this software, color paint software. It is one of the interesting software, isn't it? We know already discuss about this software, I think in 5th standard. How will you open this software? Application, graphics, color paint. Yes, we know this software is used to draw and color the pictures. Children, there are 3 different windows are available in this color paint software: toolbox, color palette, canvas window. In this canvas window only we can able to draw the pictures and all. From the toolbox, different tools are available. From the tools we have to select each and every tool to draw the pictures, and color palette is used to color the picture, isn't it? In this color palette, left side we are having one square box. See this black and white, which means this is foreground and background color tool. Normally if we press left mouse button, this is for foreground, and right mouse button for background color. Just if from the color palette, in the mouse we know left and right mouse buttons are available, isn't it? So I will show it. See, in the mouse we are having left and right mouse button, isn't it? From the color palette, if we choose left mouse button, we can able to see this red color as foreground. As background means just to click the right mouse button. See, right mouse button, we can able to change the background color. Like this you have to able to change the foreground and background color. Tools. Okay, we will see one by one tool. In this 3 different type of selection tools are available. Children, suppose I drawn any square or rectangle type of figure. For that you have to use this. I don't want this square, I want to delete it out. So for that you have to select this rectangular selection tool. Just select and click on delete button. Just wait, it's come, it's a blue color. I selected background as blue, that's why I got this blue color. Instead of this blue, just I selected white, means if I selected this selection, just to select it, click and drag it and delete, means just you have to remove it out. This is the use of this selection rectangular. If we drawn any round or oval shape figures, just you have to click on this selection elliptical. Just you have to hold select and delete it out, isn't it? If we drawn any type of picture, which means a flower or trees or birds, animals, if you drawn anything, totally if you want to rub it out. So this is the free selection. These 2 selections are only square or rectangular or circular or elliptical shapes only. But when you select this free form, total figure or it in any shape, that is the free form, you have to delete it out. After you drawn a picture, you want to give a heading for that picture. For that you have to click on this text tool. If you want to draw lines, means you have to click on line tool. You want to draw anything like this, means just you have to click on pen tool. So like this the different tools are available. And one important thing, 2 different eraser. Just see, when you move this mouse pointer near this eraser, just we have to able to understand this is one of the eraser tool. Here this is one of the color eraser. What is the difference between this eraser and color eraser? Just I will show it. Children, just I drawn one figure like this one rounded rectangular squared, isn't it? Okay, I drawn one picture. In this I want one more shapes. Just I click on circle, I selected one more color, just I drawn this like this. Okay, 2 different pictures with 2 different colors. Now if just I will show 2 different eraser, just click on this eraser. Okay, now yellow color was selected. So just simply if you rub it, all type of pictures are rubbed it out, isn't it? Now I don't want this whole picture, just I want to rub it this red colored picture only. If you are clicking this eraser, just we should rub it carefully. Yes, you can able to rub this, but we should be rub it carefully. Just mistakenly, just if you are clicking and without your knowledge, just you are rubbed it out means what should we do? We should draw it again, isn't it? Instead of this, one important tools are available. This is the color eraser. Just click on color eraser. I want to rub only this red. So for that I choose one red color. So don't worry about this yellow. Just you have, when you are rub this red, just rub it only red color picture only. Now I am moving the mouse in the inside the yellow, but it won't rub, just only the red color only. Understand, children? So this is the main difference between these two eraser. Okay. So next one is, this is one of the polygon tool. What is this polygon? Max, you already studied about this polygon, isn't it? What will you say? Polygon means it is a closed figure, polygon, isn't it? Basically we need 3 sides for polygon. That is the closed figure means 3-sided figure means we will say it a triangle. 4-sided figure means what is that? Square, rectangle like this and all 4-sided. 5-sided means pentagon, hexagon, like that. So just polygon means where did you start? You have to finish it in the same point only. I selected polygon tool. I selected another color. Just click a point and click and drag, and where did you start? You should finish it in the same point. That is the polygon. Okay. So next class we will study about the different activities what is given in your textbook. Okay. Thank you, children.